Ever wondered why your hair feels dry and brittle, or why those pesky split ends just won't go away? The answers lie in your hair care routine. First things first, regular oiling of the hair is a centuries-old technique that has stood the test of time. Oiling nourishes the hair, replenishes its natural oils, and promotes healthy growth. Choose a nutrient-rich oil like coconut or almond and gently massage it into your scalp and hair at least once a week. Next, consider the power of natural remedies. Have you ever heard of rinsing your hair with rice water? This traditional Asian practice is known to strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and impart a healthy shine to your hair. After shampooing, simply rinse your hair with rice water and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it out. Eggs aren't just for breakfast anymore. They're packed with protein, which is exactly what your hair needs to stay strong and healthy. Whip up an egg mask and apply it to your hair for about 20 minutes, then shampoo as usual. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Now, onto some habits you need to break. Excessive heat styling is a major culprit behind hair damage. Try to limit the use of straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers. And remember, never brush your hair when it's wet. Wet hair is more prone to breakage. Trimming your hair regularly is also crucial. It gets rid of split ends and keeps your hair looking neat and healthy. And while it might be tempting to wash your hair every day, try to reduce your washing frequency. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Lastly, don't forget the importance of a healthy diet. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins can significantly improve the health and appearance of your hair. In summary, taking care of your hair doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about incorporating healthy habits like regular oiling and using natural remedies, breaking damaging habits like overwashing and excessive heat styling, and maintaining a balanced diet. Remember, your hair is a reflection of your overall health, so take care of it and it will shine with beauty.